this dust on my dress? This car is dusty. The Hamatan. Anyways, morning guys. So I'm just going to get my nails done. Today is Sunday. So I was supposed to do them yesterday, but I couldn't get an appointment, so they asked me to come today, so I'm going. And yeah, that's what we're doing today, Sunday. Then I'll come back and rest because I didn't sleep. Like, I woke up around 12. I slept early last night, but I woke up around 12 and I couldn't sleep till like 5 a.m. this morning, and then I was up before 8. So I need to come back and take a very serious nap because tomorrow is Monday. Work and everything, the wahala that comes with being an adult. So I just need to come and sleep because my eyes are hurting me, and like I'm almost like having a headache. So yeah, nothing for today. I don't think I'm going to church. Yeah. And church resumes today. Koinonia resumes today. But I don't know, I will watch online. Next week I'll start going. Next week I would go. So that's it. See you guys. Oh, you guys, I wish I had that thing that people use in their cars when they're vlogging. Like, I don't know what it is called. That will you can literally just keep your phone here and then drive and vlog. But I can't do that. I can't, and I would want to. So I have to look for it. So I would be driving and vlogging and talking, doing the whole doing the whole thing that people do in their cars when they are driving and vlogging, like singing, listening to music, just chatting to the vlog. So I don't have that, so I can't drive and do anything. So when I drive, the other day my other vlog, I was driving and recording. Very dangerous, and it's not funny when road safety catches you. So I wish I had that. I would look for it. I just came back here to say it looks like my skin is giving. Is it giving? My skin I look light. I look lighter than usual. Is it my eye? So these are my nails. Short, nothing serious. I love them. They're cute. It's like I'm catching a cold. I don't understand. My voice is acting kind of funny. I just hope I don't come down with a cold. I don't want to be sick, please. These are my feet. I don't have the best feet, please pardon me, but I like the way these are my nails. So no acrylic, no whatever, my natural nails, just painted. I love it. Hi, how are you all doing? Hope you guys are fine. Yeah, so today is Monday. It's like late in the evening. It's almost 6. Let's see. This phone is so slow. Yeah, it's 5:44 past work hours. So I'm just back home and I want to film a sit-down video this evening, and my head hurts, but I still want to do it. I want to try. Like, I'm putting in the work. You guys support me, Biko. So yeah, I'm just trying to look for what to wear. Like, I'm going to like put makeup on my face and just do that. So you guys, tell me why I actually started let me just tell you guys what I was about to say. Tell me why my straightener is not working. I just plugged it on and I'm trying to use it and it didn't come on. And my wig needs to be straightened. I went to the salon yesterday to do my nails, but like it was only the nail guy, because it's a salon, they also do hair there and they have the nail section. But the other guys, the hair section people didn't come, so I couldn't do that. And because I actually like when they do it there, I feel like they do it better in the salon. It makes it, there's a way they do it, it's actually different from what I'll do. It's better. And now I'm trying to use this and it didn't come on. Why? So I think it's bad. This has actually served me. It's been a long time. I think this thing has been with me for like over 10 years. Let me not lie. My mom bought this since before I went to uni, so it's been a long time with me. So it actually makes sense that it's bad now, but why now? It's old. I'm sad. So let me tell you guys what. So I actually started using I'm ready to film now, and this is what I'm wearing. Just nervous, don't know what to talk about, but we'll see. So you guys, help me. What do we think about this earring? Like, should I go with this or this? I don't know if you guys can see. Why am I even asking you guys when obviously the video, I'm going to shoot the video anyways before this vlog goes up? So I don't even know what but let me know and we'll see which one I use later. But I think I'm feeling this one. I love this earring so much, so I think I'm wearing this one. I don't know, this one. Let's see the vibe. My lips are so dark. I'm going to redo them. This I think I'm going with this one. Yeah. So yep, this is the fit, you guys. So I later went with these earrings. I bought them. I really loved them the first time I saw them, but like after, I don't like the earrings, but I don't have anyone to wear, so I'll just go with this. And yo, I love my nails. It's giving. And what else? You know that moment where you do your nails, you're like, how am I putting my... So it's currently, I think it's like 7 now, because I can hear them call evening prayers, Selah. And yeah, I'm just going to go and record now. I think I tried with the hair, with the iron. The thing came out like, it's decent, manageable. And I put this headband because just to flatten the closure, because I feel like the closure is not that flat, because the iron, I couldn't put the iron on the closure because I don't want to burn my closure. And what else? So the hair is manageable, sha. So This is what I'm wearing. Oh, I think I showed you guys already. Just the big shirts, daddy's shirts, dad's shirts, and what else? The situation of things in my life, it's a mess in here. It's a mess. I'll fix it. Dressed. She's going to work. She's going to work. She's going to work. She's going to work. Nobody should ask me why I always wear trad to work. Don't ask me that. I love my dress. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Give that. I don't know how to dance, so so yeah, I just hope I have a good day today. And it's like I have a headache. You know, yesterday I told you guys I was feeling like slight headache, and I'm still feeling it. I just hope that I don't have a headache today, because it will really ruin my day. I don't want to. And Abuja is sunny. Anyways, I won't be outside, but I just don't like bright places, bright things like lights. When it's sunny, it gives me a headache. So whoa. My custard. Why does it look funny on camera? I promise you, it looks good though. So yeah, let's take this now.
Malibu.
So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next